Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today we finally got that breakout, guys. Beautiful breakout. So my call options work very well for me. I told you guys I bought some call options yesterday after it gave us that false breakdown from the bull flag that was on the 1 hour chart. Gonna talk about that in a couple seconds, but first, I gotta talk about my Discord. Okay, as you can see at the time, 8:24 a.m. before the market opens, I give my my analysis to my Discord members right before the market opens. Okay, we had a 470 price target, then 474, as long as 467 hold, with 465 support being the last chance for the bulls. Guess what? 467 held. We got the breakout, and where did it go? It got as high as 470.49 today. Okay, 470.49. So I under promised and over delivered. That is how the charters roll. All right, now let's take a look at the 1 hour chart real quick. Okay, now yesterday I spoke to you guys about the bull flag. Let me move the moving average. Okay, keep in mind the SPY closed and is above all moving average. Very bullish. All right, so we had that bull flag right here. You see the white line. I'll make it a little thicker for you just in case. All right, boom. Okay, got the bull flag. Here's the resistance of the bull flag, the support of the bull flag. Remember, when you trade in the bull flag, you want to enter at the support of the bull flag or the breakout of the bull flag. Okay, so yesterday I told you guys I entered around 467.5, which was the low of the bull flag. We got that breakdown, all right, and then I told you guys I'll be looking for a recapture. I will not enter until we get the recapture, which we did towards the end of the day. And I asked you guys, is that a recapture, guys? Boom. I don't know if you guys answered, but the answer is yes. That is a recapture. I bought some calls from there, and boom, I went all the way up, got the breakout, and hit my 470 price target. Went a little higher. I hope you guys took some profit. If you guys bought calls with me, I hope you guys took profit, because when there's a price target, when I say 470 price target, that also means where you take profits. Okay, because look what happened when it hit our price target. People gonna take some profits. That's what you do. We're traders, guys. Anyways, so the calls worked out. I call it before the market opened. Remember, on my YouTube channel, I give you guys my best technical analysis after the market closes. But for my Discord members, the few people that join, you guys get the best technical analysis from me before the market opens. Okay, so if you guys find that useful, maybe consider joining my Discord. But if not, it's all good. Okay, let's talk about what the plan is for tomorrow. Let's talk about the plan for tomorrow. So obviously, just 1 day breakout. Cool. So what are we going to watch out for tomorrow? What we got to watch out for, because look at this. I don't stress volume too much, but this breakout was on low volume, okay? Keep in mind that whole move up in October, you see that? Was off of low volume, okay? So don't put too much weight on volume, okay? Price action is king, as I always say. I'll remove that. Okay, so tomorrow we want to see if this breakout will hold, okay? The breakout level now is around 467.9 to 468. Okay, guys? If SPY gets below that level, it's going to equate to a false breakout. And like I always tell you guys, false breakouts are very bearish. So watch for the false breakout. We get to the false breakout, you may want to get bearish until the next support level around 466 now. 466.6, around there. And of course, below 466, especially 465, will start the big leg down. I know you bears want it so bad, okay? But if we lose a triangle, all right, and it goes below 466, below 465, we could sell all the way down to the 20-day, which is around 461, probably even lower than that, to my bearish price target around 456 to 457, okay, guys? But if it holds and it continues to stay above 468, because it could come back to retest this breakout level, okay, that my next price target will be up at the upper Bollinger Band, maybe a little higher than the upper Bollinger Band, around 474, as I wrote right here, updated my Discord members, okay? Take a look at the VIX. Okay, you can't trade, or at least I don't recommend y'all trading the SPY unless you keep an eye on the VIX. Okay, first of all, the VIX has about 8 minutes left. In about 8 minutes, we're going to find out if the VIX closes below all moving average, or will it close right at the 20-day moving average, or a little above it. We're going to see. All right, the last 5-10 minutes of the market, all right, we had a little sell-off. All right, you can see that wick right there. It was at 470 and then boom, it just dropped down to 469. The VIX was as low today as $16, 1603, and then it jumped out like about 30 cents. Okay, no big deal. We'll see what happens. Okay, but what I want you to notice, the VIX was also trading within a triangle pattern. As you can see, hopefully we get it. The close below the triangle pattern. Okay, so of course we don't want it to be a false breakout. All right, if the VIX get back above 1675 and it starts going up, that's a false breakout. We could see more upside in the VIX, and the bullish VIX is a bearish SPY. But right now, looking at the price action, I don't care about news. Okay, because I know some of y'all were bearish, and you even commented on the video yesterday talking about y'all was bearish. Okay, I just go by price action. There's no need to guess, guys. You don't need to guess. You don't need to try to act like you're psychic. All right? Just let the price action guide you. You identify the level, support, resistance. What's your equilibrium levels? All right? And if it breaks, that's when you want to make your move. If it breaks the resistance, that's bullish. If it breaks the support, that's bearish. Okay, the best time to short is when the critical support level is broken. Then you sell the bounce and you sell it down to the next support level. Unless we get a false breakout and a proven false breakout like this one. We had a false breakout right here. And then boom, it came back and closed. That's a false breakout. That's the time you want to short. All right, I have people that was bearish yesterday trying to act like they could see in the future. Chill out with that. There's no need to guess. Who cares what the news says? Price action is king. If there's anything you guys can learn from the charters, learn that. Learn how to read price action. I even made a video. And I made a video and people was asking me about other patterns. Listen, that video that I made about how to trade like the charters is literally what the title says and the thumbnail says. How to trade like me, the charters. Okay, I didn't make that video to teach y'all about technical analysis. I made that video to show you how the charters trade. If you want to trade like me, watch that video. It's in the description below. Okay, guys? So, bottom line, we got the breakout. It closed above. Hit my price target. Made a shit ton of money today. Awesome. Hopefully, my Discord members did the same. Now, tomorrow, I want y'all to make sure this gets confirmed, because one break above a break level is not enough. We want to see a second breakout or a close above breakout level, or maybe a third. The more the merrier, to hit my next price target of 474, because the upper Bollinger Band right now is at 473. By tomorrow, it's going to move up. So 474 is the next price target. All right? Watch out for the false breakout. We get that false breakout, it could come down lower. And if we lose 466 to 465, that's when y'all want to get bearish. I will not get bearish unless we get the false breakout. I will not get bearish until we lose 466 to 465. And I encourage y'all to do the same. But at the end of the day, you guys are not me. I can't force y'all to do nothing. You're going to do what you want to do. I'm going to do what I got to do. And I'm going to do what I got to do for my Discord members. And of course, my subscribers, so we make money. I'm not here to protect your feelings. I'm going to tell you how it is. And if you like that, please hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, please hit the like button. Hit the bell button so you get all the notifications, because it's a time-sensitive technical analysis. Okay, guys? So, that's what I got for the SPY. Moving on to Triple Q. Triple Q, the same thing? Same thing. We got the breakout. So we want to make sure is that this is a confirmed breakout, because my next target for the Triple Q is 404. If this is a confirmed breakout, 404 is next. If it's a false breakout and we lose 394 tomorrow, that's the time y'all want to get bearish. You can bet to the downside all the way down to 388. That's where the next support level is. That's a nice juicy move to the downside. But guess what? You don't have to be biased to the downside. Just be biased to whatever the price action tells you, because you can make a lot of money to the upside. You can make a lot of money to the downside. And if your goal is to make money, right? That's a bad goal. Your goal shouldn't be to make money. Your goal should be to be a great technical price action trading trader. Your goal should be to be a chartist. Okay, guys? All right, because if you're desperate to make money, you're most likely not going to make money. So focus on being the best trader you can be. And the best traders follow price action, which is what I've been preaching this whole time to you guys And to anybody that's willing to listen, thank you guys, by the way, for listening to me. I'm sounding like a madman right now, only because I have high energy right now. When you make a shit ton of money, I'm not going to say how much, but when you do, it's tough not to have a good day because you followed you followed the plan, you executed, everything looks good. Okay, and if I can help some of y'all make money, then man, that's just even better, because that's why I made this YouTube channel. Not just for me, for you, my subscribers, my viewers. I hope so. Because why? Because we in this together. I'm not no guru. Okay, I can't see the future. I just translate the charts for you guys. I am your fellow retail traders. Guys, we are in this together, whether you believe it or not. It's us versus those market makers, those market manipulators. And I'm going to talk more about them in a little bit. Now today, instead of talking about Art K, I'm going to talk about IWM. Why? Because the chartist feels like it. That's what he wants to do, right? Now, what you see in here, it's another triangle pattern, right? Got a lot of triangle patterns, all right? We did successful with SPY. We did successful with QQQ. Can we be successful with IWM? All right, so y'all know what I'm going to say. If you guys watch me long enough, you know what I'm going to say. Either watch for the breakout or watch for the breakdown. Breakout level right now is 240. IWM above 240. If it breaks and closes above 240, we'll put 245, 246 in play, okay? If it breaks down, we could sell all the way down to 234 or possibly 232. Okay, let me move the moving average. All right, that 20-day moving average of support is around 234. But besides the moving average, the 20-day moving average, look at that green line right there. Boom, boom, boom. All the way back in March, touched it here in June, touched it again in June, at the end of June. That's where we got the breakout and it went crazy. All right, so we could sell down all the way down to that support level. Either way, those are the levels you want to look to buy. Or if we lose that triangle, you guys can bet to the downside and write it down to the support level. 234 support level, which is where the 20-day moving average is. 234.2 to be exact. Or the previous breakout level of 232.4. Okay, guys, you can make money to the downside. You can make money to the upside. There's no reason to argue with your fellow retail traders. If you're a bear, if you're a bull, who gives a damn? We are traders. We are retail traders, and we're not going to be part of the 90% that fails and quit. Okay, if you're subscribed to me, you're probably part of the 10%, or you're trying to be part of the 10%. And I promise you, stick with me. I'm going to get us there. All right, I'm going to get us there. That's what I got for IWM. If you didn't get that, please watch that part of the video again. Now let's move to Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is one of those womp, womp, womp moments, okay? Now let me move the moving average. It bounced off the 50-day, okay? If y'all can see it right there. Had a lot of buying pressure off the 50-day, as you can see with that long wick. Now some of y'all have been watching me since the beginning, since I had less than 100 subscribers. All my OG viewers, y'all know about the AOL level. Y'all the one that helped me name it, the AOL, which stands for Area of Liquidity. As you can see right here, let me change this color. I'll change it to purple. Okay, we got to start here. Touch there, and look, it broke down. Okay, so if there was some stop losses, because you know the market makers, they love to go stop loss hunting. All right. Support and resistance levels are created on purpose by the market makers, guys. They do it on purpose, and there's a lot of areas of liquidity above the resistance level and below it. There's a lot of stop losses that's set up there by us retail traders, and a lot of time the market makers, they like to go stop loss hunting before they push it back up. And the way you trade that, the way you would trade that is you buy the recapture. Okay, so if Bitcoin gets back above 62.8K, buy that recapture, ride it up to the next resistance level, which is at now at 72.73K right now. Okay, but if it doesn't recapture, that's bearish, and you can look to the next support level. If it loses the 50-day, we got a little something to support here at 57.6K. We got some support here. That was the previous high, by the way, right there at 52.8K. And of course, the 200-day moving average is around 46K. All right, so 46 to 47K will be another buy zone. All right, just pay attention to the price action. There's no need to be biased to the downside, no need to be biased to the upside. There's no need to guess. Just let the price action guide you. Guys, I hope this technical analysis helped. I hope you learned something. If you ain't already, please subscribe, and I will see you all soon.